Guys, in this lesson we will learn how to retrieve the data from our JSON data that we are created in the previous lesson. For this, I am switch to Sublime Text, create a new file, save it with the extension of .html, demo.html, HTML5, JSON demo. We need to add the script tag for adding JavaScript code for manipulation. Create a variable JSON data that hold the our JSON data, and copy the previously created data and paste it in the our JavaScript. And I am giving a proper indent. To retrieve the value from the our JSON data, we need to write the variable name that hold the our JSON data and the key name for retrieving. Alert JSON data dot item title and colon. Open it. Open the file in the your favorite browser. We are getting the my title, which is retrieved from the our JSON data. We can use this in anywhere in the JavaScript, in the alert, in the document dot window, and in the other function call or manipulation. We can also concat multiple values with the string. Let's take example. I am commenting this and using document dot write in this case. Document dot write id JSON data dot item id plus item title colon JSON data dot item title plus item description plus JSON data dot item description, and at the end semicolon. Write in new line so you can easily see it. Okay, now reload the our page. We got id 101, item my title, and the item description long description. That's it. In this example we are using number and the string format only. We can also use the complex format such as boolean, array, object. We will see those in the later lesson throughout in this series.